peculiar productions.
So what we have here today, we're going to be making some Ozo plant-based protein, non-GMO, no soy burgers. So I already have these in the pan and have them seasoned. I've put a little turmeric on them, some everything seasoning, and there's some coconut oil in the bottom. So we can see how these are starting to sizzle. So, and it doesn't take long to make these. I think like a minute or something like that. So, you know, you just want to allow them to sizzle. Ooh. And then we're just going to put these in the coconut oil. Coconut oil is really good for you. It's a lot of health benefits as well. And, you know, we're trying to watch our health over here. Although we still eat meat, but I just wanted to try these. All right, and I'll be back once I get the cheese on. Okay, so I have the cheese on here. I'm going to do 2 with cheese and 2 without cheese. I have turned the heat down to medium heat also. And you remember what they looked like in the beginning? And look how they look now. Like, let's try to flip this with one hand. And they actually are holding their form pretty good. They actually look like beef burgers. They smell good too. So I want to let this cheese melt though. So what I like to do is I like to put a lid on when I'm trying to melt the cheese on the burger. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll be right back. Okay, so we got the cheese all melted now. So that looks really, smells so delightful, you guys. I wish you could just taste the plants through the screen, you know. So I'll be back when it's time to put it on the bun. Okay, so we have our bun here. It's a brioche bun. We have that. And then these are the condiments that I put on here. And so we're going to try to take one of these plant-based burgers here. Ooh, it just looks so good. So good. So good. I'm going to put that on our bun here. I'm doing this with one hand too, y'all, so bear with me. Now, I already have avocado already on here. You don't have to use avocado, but you can. But that's what we like to do. My family likes it. So we're gonna just top that like that. I mean, it just looks delicious. It really does. And it's a plant-based burger. I mean, I feel like the presentation could be a little cuter. Got some ketchup on there too. Presentation could be a little cuter, but you know, it is what it is. And there we go. And there we go. Plant-based burger.